Okay, hello and welcome back into another tab. Here after the Takuma video, yeah. So this, as you can see, is a filter, and this, as you can see, is quite clean. Now let me go show you the original glass, yeah, of that filter. So I've got quite a few filters over here, which are essentially rubbish. Let me go show you this, yeah. This is what came out of that. So as you can see, this is quite disgusting. Let me go focus down into here, yeah. See? How the fuck is this not disgusting, man? See? Disgusting hell, yeah. So that is a rubbish filter that you do not want to use, yeah. But this, in the other hand, is a clean filter right here. See? Let me go show you. Bang. Clean. No dust, no scratches, no random coating shit, yeah. So how I did this was I actually got a Sony 18 to 55 mil, which had this thing broken essentially. So it had like this Hoya filter, which like got dented probably from a fall, and this filter was basically rubbish. I mean this glass. So it's not in the housing itself, it's like dangling inside. I took the housing off, and what happened next was that I had this piece of glass which I was not using. And I do have this Takuma right now, yeah, which is something I like and something I would like to protect. So to do that, I swapped the glass over from from the Hoya to this Kenko UV thingy. This thing's so beat up, yeah, but because I put some new glass in, you can actually use this. And actually it looks nice. So yeah, it only has some small scratches, but nothing to actually worry about, yeah. Nothing that can like affect your image quality. So then just screw this guy on here. And so now you have like a vintage looking filter with modern coatings, which probably do not affect your image quality at all. And I think that is like a like the ultimate win-win. Only thing is that these vintage filters will not, like new filters, are probably disintegrate. So on that Sony that fell down, what happened was the the filter thingy was like cracking essentially, yeah. And I just needed like twist the thing off and just fell apart. But like this Pentax filter, yeah, this Asahi Pentax, I got when I bought this lens. This thing's sort of shit, yeah. You can probably see, but I'm not sure if you can actually see. Let's see if you can. Yeah, you can probably make out like the hazy, hairy stuff right there, yeah. That's like where the fungi was, and this thing was on this lens. What happened next was like I found out this thing was slightly dented from a fall, obviously, yeah. So when this thing came in, the front ring was like wobbly as heck. And what the fuck is this, man? Okay, so this front ring was wobbly as hell, and this thing was like half stuck and half like not stuck in there like this, and that's not a good thing, yeah. So I ended up like hitting this thing that fell into its groove, and then I just unscrew this thing, but still it is dented. And I do like the Asahi Pentax ring more than the Kenko ring, yeah. Because the Kenko's just shit, but this thing is worth some money, yeah. But the thing is that this thing is bent, and to access the filter glass in this guy, yeah, this thing is a snap ring. So it's like you use the C clip where you push the clip up and you pull the clip out, then the glass falls out and you put a new glass piece in, put the C clip in, and there you go. This thing you actually have like these two screws, yeah, right here. But the thing is, you cannot take the thing out, the ring out, without like straightening the filter up first. And that is something that is quite hard to do, because if you look at this, yeah, it actually looks nice. It's like circular essentially, but in all truthfulness, yeah, this thing is not circular. It's like sort of oval. It's got a dent like over here. See, you can probably not even make it out, yeah, because it's that slight of a dent, but it does not screw out this like thread thingy, yeah. So what happens now is that you cannot use this as a filter. So yeah, this is a video that should be about, I don't know, like what the heck. This video is supposed to be about how you can essentially rejuvenate your filters, yeah. Like you can use these old filters that look beat up, but with new glass. New glass is not rattle, depends on your filter actually. So if you have like this screw-in design, if your filter is a bit too thin or a bit too thick, you can actually still use it like normal. But on this snap ring design where you have a C-clip, if it's too thin, you can actually have the thing rattle. And if it's too thick, it just won't fit in. It's just gonna like keep on falling out. So yeah, that's it for this video today. I'm not sure who the heck would watch this video, but if you did, thank you for watching. And I have to say goodbye. Good night.